Hi folks, welcome to 17th video of the series, that is counting special characters in a string. I'm going to define the function which is count special character of string. Then I'm going to assign the special characters to the variable special sp underscore character. Then I am giving 0 to the count variable, assigning 0 to the count variable, then declaring the for loop for the string for I in string for the all the special characters in the sp underscore char variable. I is go through the all element. If I in special character, this I in special character count is equal to count plus 1, it will count 1, it will add 1 by 1 if the special characters in the string, how much the special characters in the string are there, it will print it will add 1 plus 1 for one special character. Then it will return the count of the special character in the string. Here text, I am defining some sentence. You can give random sentences with special characters also. Result is equal to count special character of text. Here the whole thing from spchar to return count, the whole operation is stored in count underscore sp underscore char of string. Here the string can be anything. Here we given a text as the string, so you can assign to the anything instead of text. Okay, then we are going to, this whole thing is represented by count underscore special sp underscore char. So we are going to operate on this string, then we will print the result. Let me print this. Okay, what is the error? Undetermined string. Okay, let me print this one. Yes, here we got the output. Here one, you may ask that there are 1 2 question mark and exclamation, why it is printed 9? Because it considers the space also as the special character, that's why it printed the 9 as the output. So thank you for watching.